What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Poco F6 and the Tecno Camon 30 Premier 5G smartphones. So we will see which device is going to be better in terms of hardware specs, benchmarking test score results, and how much difference you will get in the daily usage. So here we go. So these are the applications we got today here on our devices. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu benchmark. So in this you can see that Poco F6 scored 1.5 million points and Tecno Camon 30 Premier scored 942,069. Here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see in all of these four, performance of Poco F6 is better, especially when it comes to the GPU and memory. The difference is not too much for the UX, but our concern is the overall score, and in that the winner is Poco F6. So let's go back from here to the next test, and that's 3D Mark. So 3D Mark is divided in multiple parts. So in Street Nomad Lite, the Poco F6 scored 1074 with 7.96 average FPS, while we got 634 points on Camon 30 Premier with 4.7 average FPS. So the winner is Poco F6. If we go to the Wildlife Extreme, in this Poco F6 scored 3188 with 99.09 average FPS, and Camon 30 Premier scored 1718 with 10.29 average FPS. Once again, the winner is Poco F6. If we go to the Wildlife, then you can see Poco F6 is so powerful that it maxed out. So of course the performance of Poco F6 is also better when it comes to Wildlife, and that's why in this as well the winner is Poco F6. Our Camon 30 Premier 5G is not compatible with the Solar Bay, so I was not able to perform this test, but as you can see in 3 tests of 3D Mark, Poco F6 is the winner in all of them. So now let's go back from here to Geekbench 6. So this test is divided in CPU and GPU, and the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So as you can see, Poco F6 scored 1790 in single core, 5073 in multi-core, while Tecno Camon 30 Premier scored 1251 in single core and 3878 in multi-core. So once again the winner is Poco F6. And if you go to the GPU benchmarking test, in this Tecno Camon 30 Premier scored 3948 and Poco F6 scored 8722. So once again the winner is Poco F6. So as you can get the idea, the hardware we got on Poco F6 is way better compared to the Tecno Camon 30 Premier, and because of that in all of these different tests, AnTuTu benchmark, 3D Mark and the Geekbench 6, performance of Poco F6 is better. So even though you might not feel much difference in daily usage between these two devices, because Camon 30 Premier is also quite powerful when it comes to gaming, the Poco F6 is totally going to be a winner. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.